And can I know the strength of Malakpet branch, ma? How many students are there? What would be the strength? And from Shalibanda girls, can you ask your friends to join the classes? Otherwise, the subject is not that easy to understand. Are you understanding this?
Yes,
Ask
ma'am.
your
From
friends to
tomorrow
join
we'll
the
take
classes regularly. If they are not joining the classes regularly, they will not be understanding things.
Yes, ma'am.
Shirin ma'am did not join the class.
Hello, Sukanya madam. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Afroz madam. Shirin madam did not join yet.
Yes,
She's
ma'am.
joining. I have called her.
She mistakenly joined in journal section just now.
Yeah. I
So
have.
I asked her to join here.
Okay, okay.
She said she is unable to find the link of computer.
Share her the link. Share her the link again.
Yes, she just joined here. Yes.
Okay.
Hello, Shirin ma'am.
Yes, Assalamualaikum.
Um,
Who's this, ma'am? T19.
Yes, it's me, Afroz Fatima.
Okay, madam. So make me host, ma'am.
I am
Yes.
leaving, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I am
Ma'am,
also leaving.
Sukanya, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today, fourth semester class. I think. Do we have or not?
Ma'am, you people have, ma'am. Actually, only computers faculty has to support the other faculties who are joining today. That is first year classes. So we have
So
been.
I cannot take the class. I think it's not yours. I think today, general's class. But I have at the same time first year class, ma'am. How can I take the class?
Right now, you're having the class for first years also, second years also.
No,
So you did
second year
not
no.
check the.
Fourth semester, ma'am. Fourth semester already completed. My syllabus is.
Even
So
then, you
I'll
have
not.
to take this classes.
देखेंगे बाद में.
You
I'll
have
speak
to
to you, ma'am, later on. क्या है कि समझ में नहीं
okay
आ रहा,
ma'am.
ma'am. Afterwards, I'll talk to you, ma'am. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, that will be better, ma'am.
Okay, I will discuss afterwards.
Yeah girls,
Okay,
I'm
I'll leave,
leaving the
madam.
session now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, even,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, madam,
Thank
you
you.
carry on. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, girls.
Walaikum salam, ma'am.
Yes, all the girls, very good morning to you all, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, without writing the exam, you have started the, second semester classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're lucky.
After
No,
that,
don't throw
we
the
are
books
lucky.
anywhere. No, it's not like that. You should not throw the books anywhere that you have been promoted. It's not like that. Last year also the same thing happened afterwards. They will send the timetable and the fee date any time. So till the conditions will become normal, you have to, concentrate on studies. You must be enjoying till now. But now it's the time to wake up and just concentrate on the studies of first year as well as second year. Both. Okay. So now first year the syllabus was completed, you have done, notes were written and all. So be careful, keep it as it is. When the time comes, we have to learn that also. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here in the second semester also you have the 4 units same as it is, and the same grammar, and as it is like that only. You have value orientation and what is that
Soft
you
skills.
have yes, soft skills same as it is, but stories lessons are different a bit. So you have to study. Don't try to learn a second semester for the first semester or first semester for the second semester, because you have, the same book. Okay, from unit 5th we are going to start. Okay, today just introduction part I'll be giving from all the lessons, what we have to do daily. You maintain a classwork as you have maintained in the first year, right? First sem. Do you have the pages left in your notebook over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is Shalibanda as well as Malakpet girls. If you have the same, just you fold a paper and continue from the second semester. Whatever notes I'll be giving, you have to then I'll be posting in the what is that, Google Classroom also at the same time after. But I will be dictating the notes in the class itself. You have to, write as it is. Okay, so that afterwards also those who have not attended, those who are absent, they can get the notes from Google Classroom. Okay, so the first lesson is a visit of charity, and you have at the same time, I think you all have readers, right? Or thrown also, that also thrown somewhere else.
No, ma'am, we have.
No, ma'am, we
You
have.
have, no? Very good, very good. So here 4 units you had last time, that is first semester over, done successfully but not written the exam, right? So semester 2 you have a visit of charity, then you have written by Eudora Welty. You have from Eudora Welty, and next is pronunciations, that is plosives, non-finite verbs, vocabulary, simile and metaphor. This is something new which you are going to learn, simile and metaphor. These are literary terms. Okay, why these symbolism they have mentioned this year, this semester, why these are used, these terms in the poems and all. Then use of IE and EI, punctuation and semicolon, and conversation, asking for the information. Then you have reading passage, and that is Hyderabad, complete about Hyderabad. Then you have writing, in writing you have Hyderabad, you have to write. Note making is there, soft skills, time management, they give value orientation, time and tide, wait for none. Okay, so this is complete about first, that is fifth unit, continuation of fifth unit. Okay. Sixth unit, you have Banaras by Aldous Huxley. Then you have pronunciation about fricatives, grammar, adjectives, vocabulary, and then you have in vocabulary oxymoron and hyperbole, spelling, words ending with the able and ible, punctuation, colon and m dash, conversation means request, reading, passage, burakata, writing informal letters, soft skills, leadership, value orientation. You have then the value orientation, the pen is smarter than sword. Just for 2 minutes, girls. Just for just 1 minute. Yes. So you have same seventh also stanzas written in direction that is by P.B. Shelley, and you have same thing in the first year. I think you have complete about. I have explained about consonants, right? Consonant, vowels, diphthongs, fricatives, affricates, and all. Do you remember, girls? The complete about 26, 44 consonant sounds in English. Yes. Do you remember? The separate notes I gave for this pronunciation. Do you remember, girls? Do you have the note
Yes, ma'am.
till now? First unit, first they have explained you about this. I mean, pronunciation, diphthongs, monophthongs, fricatives, affricates, approximants, everything. Do you remember? So that in detail you are going to study. Okay, in detail. So seventh unit you are going to have the same thing. One poem is there, and articles about portmanteau words, loan words. Then you have how to conduct a meeting. Then you have what is that, hyphen when do you use formal letters. You have stress management, and in the value orientation, practice makes man perfect. Then drama, Shakespeare's that is lesson number 8. You have Julius Caesar's or drama, that is an extractor. It's like a poem. So pronunciation is there, about approximants. You have the grammar, vocabulary, adverbs, palindromes are there in. Then derived forms of words, punctuations. You have inverted commas, and reading passage, interview skills you have. Then you have the writing, Telangana handicrafts, formal letters. Then you have also soft skills, etiquette and grooming, value orientation. Necessary is the mother of invention. So this time you have to study a lot, totally 8 units. Okay, 8 units in the sense is that don't get confused. Yes, most of the students, what happens, I mean, same thing happened last year also. There was a lot of gap, first year, first semester and second semester, due to this pandemic. So most of the students, they forgot about the first sem studies. Second we started, so they were concentrating more on second semester. Almost they forgot about first unit, first semester, everything. So don't do like that. So all the books of the first year, just you keep it safe, and when the exam date is up will approach, or if it is announced, you have to get ready for that. Okay, girls, is that clear?
It's difficult to remember the 2 semesters, ma'am.
Yes, what to do, but as soon as the date they will announce, maybe don't know, nearly in July or like that. So exam, I think 2 hours exam will be there, and the paper marks same 80 will be there, but the questions will be you have a lot of choice, so no need to worry about write it. Pandemic, no, so they may pass. We have the instructions not to fail any students. Okay, so please try to concentrate. It doesn't mean that you have to write bullshit stories in that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will start just with you have soft skills and all, right? I will start with the soft skills so that you know what will happen. It will be easy. Then I will continue with the lesson afterwards. Okay, this is everybody can understand what I mean. Time management is, yes, in the soft skills, time management is there. This is very very important. Time management. Only the summaries I will be posting in that. Other than that, every and the grammar part. Other than that, you have the time management, value orientation in your textbook. How many of you don't have the textbook? Just raise your hand. Those who did not purchase only from the first semester, just raise your hand. Only one out of 54, only one student don't have. Very good. You also try to purchase it from in somewhere. Okay, now time management. This they will ask you in the section 1 to describe about the time, value of time, time management and all. So whether we know it or not, our lives are dictated by time management. Yes, either arranged by ourselves or by others. We have to follow. Just now, somebody else will arrange the time and we have to be on time. Yes, take for instance our classes. They'll send you the timetable and the timings of the classes and all. Before that, we have to, I mean, set right ourselves and be ready for the class. Is that clear? Can you hear me, girls?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Amina from Malakpet and from Shalibanda, Karimunisa. Are Karimunisa, are you there, Karimunisa?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Yes, so it's better you, whenever I'm asking you anything, you have to respond by yes or no. Okay. So, time management, we all, our lives are dependent upon completely on the time. So, either the time will be arranged by us or somebody else. We have to follow. If we'll not follow the time, what will happen? Our lives will be very slow and there will be no proper, we will become very lazy if we'll not go according to our time schedule. Time and tide wait for none. It will not wait. I mean, this time again will not come back. So, consider, for example, how a typical day is structured around 3 meals of working from 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening. So, our typical, I mean, daily routine, how it is. We will eat and sleep. The timetable is fixed. That is, I mean, as usual, we'll do from 9 to 5. What is our daily routine? We'll be doing that. Just as supposing if the I mean, normally what happens, I mean, every year and all, from June, the academic year starts, right? Yes, from last, I mean, 2 years, it is happening pandemic, 1.5 year, I think. Yes, from 1.5 year, because of this COVID-19, we are not able to have the proper classes and all. I mean, education itself has, I mean, what is some change? There is no proper academics going on or anywhere online education which has so many drawbacks and all, so that is going on. So what happens here, time management extends beyond daily activities to years, uh, what is that portion of into seasons, so which may determine what we hear and what we travel, or financial years that range from the beginning to of the April to the end. Time is constantly being divided both in our personal and professional and our private lives. Yes, it's obvious. Whether it is our professional life or private life, we will make a timetable of it. We will plan before we do our work. At this time, half an hour, I have to cook and get ready for this. I have to do this and get ready for that. I have to sleep at this time and prepare for the studies at this time. I have to go out from so and so time. So all the things, I mean, are managed properly by the time management. If you manage the time, everything will go on smoothly. Am I right, girls? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Time. If you will not, go on time or follow the time management, what will happen? They will be, topsy turvy. That means everything will go, upside down. So, for many individuals, the most efficient way to keep track of time and thereby keep track of their progress and goals accomplished is having a daily, weekly, or annual schedule. Yes. For smooth to run our life smoothly, we make a timetable. We prepare a timetable. Whether it is a professional or private life, also we will prepare a time. Without to have, our life should go on a track. So what we will do? We will plan it. We will have a daily or a weekly or sometimes annual. You have, in the schools and colleges, they prepare annual calendar, and weekly also we have a timetable given to us. Daily this classes will be going on for you all and all. So everything will go on, according to the scheduled timetable. Some people use a planner to track the events of the day. Yes, events of the day. If you want, event manager is there, so he will prepare a, accordingly what are the events, daily, what you have to do. Okay. So a schedule must, sorry, while others use a calendar to plan in advance. Calendar is there, they prepare a calendar. This is a matter of preference. It is up to you what you prefer, the daily, weekly, or monthly, or whatever it is. So, a schedule must take into account all the factors of a personal life, be it deadlines, family commitments, reunions with friends, or company meetings. Yes, when you're preparing a timetable, the schedule, everything you should take into consideration. That is, if it is a family commitment, or personal life, or a reunion with the friends or company meeting, all you will add in that, so that there should be no disturbances. You're going to balance your time, equally, so nobody will complain at this time. You said that you have promised your friend to come, but you did not attend it. It should not be like that. So one day before, what you will tell to your friends, no, if I'm coming, I will inform you one day before, right? Won't you do that? Yes, girls. Yes.
Pre-planning, like we'll inform
Yes.
like
Yes. Yes. You will inform. If you have, 1 week, if you 1 week before you have told your friend, then on Monday you said that you spoke to her that you will be meeting her on Sunday. So what you will do on Saturday, you will inform her whether you are going to, things may change, or circumstances may change, anything may happen. You will announce that you will be visiting, but due to certain, what is that, unavoidable circumstances, you will not be able to attend her. So if you are attending also, if you are not attending also, you will inform her. So and so one day before, yes, tomorrow I'll be there or tomorrow I'll not be there. So this is what happens. So man proposes, God disposes. In the sense, it's because of time. Okay. So some places use the planner and all. Then competently managing your private and professional obligations can maximize your efficiency and lead to a less stressful life. Yes, it is right. When you prepare a schedule or timetable, that will remove your, stress. That will be a less stress, and you will follow, if you follow the timetable, there'll be no hustle bustle in your life. Okay, you cannot rush or over there and get confused and all. If you use a schedule to plan your time, then your schedule should try to take into consideration the nature of the task to be completed, as well as variable that can influence your work output. This means you must consider when the work needs to be completed, how important the work is, and how long it will take to complete, while taking into account unforeseen circumstances. So you have so many things. Now you planned, you attended and all. Suddenly what will happen? power cut, or this may happen, or that may happen, or anything may happen. You started. That is unavoidable circumstances. We can't do anything. Yes. Suddenly, for somebody, there may be a power cut. So that will stop, your class will end there only. So these are the things you attended. So these things will happen. I mean, these are the things which we cannot plan. Is it there in our planning that so and so, I mean, power shutdown will be there? Yes. Will they give us like that? I mean, power shutdown. I mean, one day before they'll give, if something is going to, I mean, if the transformer changes and all they are planning in the newspaper, it will be given. Then we will set ourselves. Okay, we may use a mobile data or something else to for the class. Okay, so this happens sometimes. Unavoidable circumstances. We cannot avoid this. I mean, so it happens. So here is telling this can help prioritize our projects. So what suggestions you have to do? What suggestions you have to take? How to manage your time better is giving here. Set goals. First thing is that you have to set the goals. This can be either private or professional. But having goals encourage you to manage your time well so that on the day of the event you are prepared and not overwhelmed. Okay. So, hello, what is happening here? Can you hear me, girls, or any the disturbances?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Yeah. So, what is the first list in the list? How to manage your time better is what are the suggestions? Is you have to set the goals, whether it is a professional or I mean private life. Then only what will happen? Everything will go on smoothly if you set the goal, whether it is in the studies or family matter or whatever it is. If you set the goals or the time, everything will go without any stress, will go on smoothly. The first thing is that you have to set the goals. Second one, keep to do list. Keep to do, make a list of that. This will allow you to keep the track of your goals and ensure you to do not to miss any deadlines. If you keep the list, you can go through the list and do the work on time, so and so time. So that will not disturb you. Your work will not go, I mean, what is that? Out of the track. It will be on track. Manage your distractions. Nowadays, it is remarkably easy to lose track of time by browsing the internet, watching television, or messaging your friends. You must be responsible and make sure that while working, you do not get distracted. Do not, what is that? Procrastinate. So, what you have to do is don't get distracted. You will be immersed in your gadgets, electronic gadgets. So nowadays we make ourselves so busy unnecessarily. Am I right? Procrastinate is unnecessarily getting involved. You will get involved unnecessarily, then you will get into trouble. You will mess up yourself. You don't know, I mean, suddenly what happens the first day today of the second semester. You are not aware of all these things, so you'll get messed up everything. Then you are so confused and all. Calm down, calm down. So make yourself, I mean, prepared before you do anything. So he's telling that don't lose your track. When the timetable is given you, just be on time. Don't engage yourself in messaging, browsing, or what is that, watching TV and all. You are the loser. Nobody will tell anything. Yes. If you are aware of, finally you are the person whom you have to manage, I mean, control yourself. Yes. If you are, I mean, you are responsible for your own faults. Okay, nobody else will, I mean, participate in your, I mean, faults. So
Excuse me, ma'am.
remember. Yes.
Ma'am, my friend is in waiting room. Can you please allow her?
Yes, ma'am. Just wait a second. Afra, right?
No, ma'am, Sarah.
Afra only joined. I admitted her. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Remember to relax. In these hustle bustle life, don't forget to relax and don't forget to take rest. You relax yourself. The time you have a lot of work to do, your schedule is prepared, but in spite of that, continuously doing the work will make you, what is that, stressful. So you will become exhausted. So give time for yourself also for relax. Working long hours at a stretched can sometimes be unproductive. Yes, you will not be able to do any sort of work if you will not relax. You'll become unproductive. So set aside some time to relax, sometime as a break can be refreshing. Yes, no, continuously, if you, work, what will happen without rest? The other work after you will not be able to do for the next day anything. You have to take rest the whole day or 2 3 days. So just telling you, remember to relax. All these things, if you relax, if you manage your distractions, if you make a list of that, if you set goals, these are the suggestions how to manage your time better. So set aside some time to relax. As a break can be refreshing, you will refresh yourself. Yes, refreshing yourself is what we will do. We'll pour some water and drink tea and all, right? To refresh yourself. So, and might allow you to develop a new perspective on an old problem. Yes, if you are working on a certain problem, if you are very dull continuously, you are not relaxing yourself and all, what will happen? If you relax, what will happen? A new sort of enthusiasm and new sort of, a feel of that you are very well, active and all activeness will develop in you.
We'll
So
start the
these
new
things
task
you
with
have
much
to.
energy.
Yes, with much energy. So there are number of, things which will boost your energy, right? What are the things that when you are very dull and all, what you will do to boost up your energy, girls? You will dance,
Coffee.
coffee.
Yes.
Yes.
Juice,
What
ma'am.
some other girls will do? Yes. Some want to dance to make themselves active. Yes. If they are bored, everybody like to dance. They enjoy dancing and all, right? So they will do these things. Some will take coffee and what else? Only coffee, tea only.
Watching
These have
TV.
become a trend. Yes, girls. What are the other ways of relaxation? Come on, tell me. Besides coffee, tea, and all this is
Watching
immunized.
Meditation,
movies.
Yes,
playing
yes.
with friends, meditation,
Watching
playing with
movie.
friends. Yeah, watching
Listening
movies.
to
Playing
music.
with kids. Yes, playing with kids is, very enjoyable, right?
Yes,
Yes. Then what else?
taking
Coffee, tea
fresh air,
nowadays.
Listening to
Oh, yes,
music.
fresh air
taking
where we
morning
have,
air,
morning
especially
air
morning.
where we have. You will get up in the morning to take morning air.
We can. There are
Mm.
some people who are very strict about their health. They will do.
Listening to music.
Yes, listening to music, very good. You will get up. If somebody, what happens, in the college, sometimes when we are in the college, offline classes, when we attend, afternoon times, sometimes, if beside a college, some function hall is there or something is there, if music starts, what will happen? Afternoon colleges and all, everybody who will be sleeping, they'll get up, right? If a music is played, what will happen? Everybody will wake up from their sleep and they will start tapping their feet and all. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. If somebody will
Yes,
play
ma'am.
in between this class any music, means you will mute yourself and you will go. What is that? Out of the class. छोड़ो जी कहाँ के क्लास हम both होते come on, we will attend the music, will listen to the, don't know, 1 year maybe, what is this earphone, another phone, another earphone of the music. Who is doing? Anybody is there like this in the class? 2 in 1 they are doing, listening to the music as well as the class, girls.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Ah, yes. You will do? Yes, 2 years we have, no? That's why God gave us to listen from this year one class, and another year is to listen to the music. Might be some, most of the time it happens, they're showing that, offline classes, how they are misused by the students. Misusing the online classes, sorry. Yes, in the offline classes, we can catch hold of you, who is listening, who is not listening. Am I right, girls? Yes, Amina, you're not listening, I will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Karimunisa, you're not listening. Come on, sit properly, I will say. But now, we cannot say, right? Know what you're doing. Yes, then unless and until you respond me, I can't tell that whether you're listening to the class or not. So these things will happen. So what is a must? Relaxation is must to make yourself enthusiastic and refresh your mind. Yes or no? Continuously you're sitting. After this, one more class is there. After this, one more class. After energy finish. And then what you will say? Finish. आज बहुत हो गया खामोश रखो कल तो नहीं अटेंड करते मैं आज 4 classes हो गए. Yes, you will decide yourself. You will make up your mind. I am not going to attend the class. Whoever will tell what the hell, I am not going to attend the class. I don't have that much of, I'm not so strong to listen all that things. So you're a human being after all. We all are human beings. To a certain level, we can. Relaxation is a must. You have other things also to do. Am I right? So these things, so he is suggesting us to, what are the better, ways or the suggestions to make your time better, or you have to make a list, set goals, manage your distractions, and remember to relax. What are the other things besides this? You can suggest to some of the best ways beside these four. Come on, to manage your time, girls. Come on, you tell me. Besides this, come on. Making a list is over, managing your distractions is over, to relax yourself and set goals. So, besides this, what are the other things? What we have to do to manage our time better?
Follow our timetable.
Yeah, follow a timetable means set goals only, no?
We
Make
should
plan
not
and all.
procrastinate our things, on what is there on our timetable. We should follow it, or we should not procrastinate it.
Besides that, still, what else good?
We should not procrastinate any of the plans.
Yes, you should go according to the timetable.
Yes.
If you delay that and do some other work, what will happen? You will get into trouble, right?
Yes.
Then what else?
Switching
Still.
off.
Yes. What else? What? Only 4 things? Still, how to manage the time better?
Waking up early.
Yes, good, very good. Very good. Absolutely right. If you wake up early, everything will go on time. Waking up early and just after some time again sleeping, no? Just what they'll do, here, they'll wake up early, after some time again they will sleep. That will make you more lazy. Yes. Yes, mute yourself. Who is that? Yes, girls. So what are the ways, what are the suggested ways to make your time better, girls? What do you have to do? Set goals, make a list of that, manage your distractions, don't be completely immersed in browsing and watching television or messaging, so that you will lose the track of time. Okay. Then remember to relax. Relax yourself, so that if you'll not relax, you'll become lazy, and you'll become what is that, disappointed, and what will happen? You'll become very annoying, aggressive. Yes or no? If you'll not relax, what will happen? You'll become a very what is dangerous person. He'll irritated, no, very dangerous. Nobody will talk to you. You will give one slap. I mean, you'll give slap, starting giving slaps to
Yes.
everybody. So
Nobody should come in
relaxation,
front of me.
yes, especially in front of Amina. Yes. मैं बोल रही हूँ, देखो पहले ही बोल दे रही हूँ, मेरे सामने कोई भी नहीं आना बोल. Yes. So these things will happen. So now, have you, I mean, what are the time management? You have tried first about time management a little bit, and what are the better ways to manage your time? Write a few points. Okay. Now about same thing about value orientation is about time and tide wait for none. It's the expression is apt here. The time and tide wait for no man. Time will not wait for anybody in life. If we stop the clocks, I mean, what is that? You have to. What is that? In the clock, what do you have? Can you stop the clock? If you stop the clock, the time will not pass.
No.
The time
Will
goes
pass.
on. Yes. So we cannot do anything. The time and tide will not wait for anyone. So that since people are incapable of stopping, slowing the passage of time, it makes sense they should use their time wisely and prioritize those tasks which are most important to them. Yes. People should wisely make use of their time, give priority to those important tasks which should be completed first. Okay, we should prioritize ourselves, giving important, giving time to first most important tasks, then afterwards to others. In a lesson that discusses the concept of time management, this is particularly a relevant expression. Yes, where time and tide wait for none, where certain type of lesson is there where it is discussed about time management, you have to use this, I mean, quote, that is time and tide wait for none. Opportunities do not always come by, and missing one might mean never getting the same chance again. Now supposing I will ask Amina, no, example, Amina, I will just a job offer for you I will send. Okay, a nice job offer. Yes, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's a
ma'am.
very nice job offer. You want to, I mean, I have given away a job offer. It's very, I mean, convenient according to your time and what is it's suitable in nearby, and you have issues. But if you just accept that, you'll become a learner. While learning, you are earning. Okay, so will you accept it or you will deny it?
I'll accept it.
Yes. But supposing your parents, they will say no, you shouldn't and all, what you will do then? Yes.
I'll make them understand the more advantages and the less disadvantages it has.
Very good, very good. Absolutely, very good girl, and good answer, reasonable answer. Okay. So like that, sometimes, what happens, a good opportunity is there. This opportunity will not come back again. You know that I have given you a good job offer. Due to some, I mean, circumstances, personal it may be, or some other issues, you will not, you have to not accept it. You will leave it. And
Yes.
your friend, I mean, that, I mean, opportunity, you will ask your friend to do it. She will do it. She will accept it. You will be deprived of it. Yes or no? Arey, I did not accept it and all and all. Then for many time, I mean, almost for a long time, you will be deprived of that.
Yes, I'll regret it.
Yes, I'll regret it. I would have done it. I would have done it and all. So it's better. You try to convince, I mean, the people who are supporting you. Okay. So if you get the support only, you can do it. There is no support, you cannot. So support is very, very important. So here is telling you like that only. Opportunities will, according to the time you got the opportunity. Yes, I got a number of opportunities, but due to some personal issues and all, I was not able to accept those opportunities. Now I am deprived of that. I regret that why I did not accept those things and all. Now how is the situation? Nobody is getting the jobs nowadays. You know that, girls. How, I mean, difficult it is to get the opportunity. A single opportunity, everybody are grabbing that. Girls, you can understand, no? How the situation is? Yes. Now, whatever the small, I mean, what is that? Even a job which is giving you, what is that
More
amount?
benefit.
Even, yes, even if it is 5,000, also they are accepting it because something is better than
Nothing.
nothing. So, when we sometimes, what will happen? Something will come in front of our eyes, we will not see anything. We'll become blind, will not accept due to certain reasons. Some people are there, they want, I mean, initially only some 50,000, 40,000. Nobody will pay. Will they pay like that? Are we given that much in the beginning?
No.
Nobody are paid. So here, opportunities do not come on our way every time. Once you get the best opportunity, grab it and make use of it in a better way. So you'll get the chance only once. You will not get it always. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former president of India, is credited with this saying: if you want to leave your footprints on the sands of time, do not drag your feet. This you have in the intermediate first year. My mother lesson. Do you remember, girls?
Yes.
Yes. What is the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam?
Abul Fakir Zainulabadi.
Very good. Yes. Awal Fakir Zainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Okay. So he said, you have to leave such a good name in the times. I mean, today in this world, the people should follow you. That is the meaning of that. You leave such a good name that people should follow you. You should become like that. Okay. The famous Roman Catholic nun and the missionary Mother Teresa. Do you know Mother Teresa? Do you all know? Aware of Mother Teresa? She's no more now.
Yes.
She was, yes. She has accepted the unwanted people, beggars, lepers, and all. There are only a few people in this world to accept unwanted people. You know that, girls? Who want beggars, who want, I mean, unwanted, I mean, the children. I mean, she has established many, yes, what is that, orphanages, many missionaries. I mean, so many, I mean, wonderful, I mean, things she have done to the, I mean, this world. So unwanted people she accepted. Dying people she accepted.